Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and I'm so excited to be out doing some camping. Today we're going to be making some grilled Korean pork bellies, and I'm going to do it on my new Z-Grills. It's the Z-Grills Cruiser, so let's get started. All right, so check it out. Before we left the house to go camping, I prepared the marinade with a half a cup of Gojujang sauce, or you can use sweet chili sauce. Then we're going to do a third cup of soy sauce, followed by a quarter cup of rice wine, and then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then a teaspoon of fresh shredded ginger, followed by, you know what, tablespoon of my garlic-shallot puree, teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then finally 3 stalks of diced green onion, and I'm going to save a little bit for garnish. I'm just going to give this a quick little whisk. Okay, now I have about a pound of pork belly that I'm going to cube up, and it's semi-frozen. It's always best to cut it when it's semi-frozen. Just go down the middle of this one, and then finally down the middle of this one. And that's all you need to do. All right, finally, we're just going to go ahead and pour the marinade over the pork belly and marinate this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but I'm doing it overnight before we get up to the campground. Let me show you a couple things about this little cool portable grill. First of all, it's a pellet grill, so you can either smoke or grill. Here's the little hopper box where your pellets go. You got your grill. I like to put foil down on the drip pan, and in the back is the little bucket that catches the grease that comes off. And when you fire this guy up, you want to turn it on to smoke first, and it's going to take a few minutes for the pellets to get into the firebox. It has a probe if you want to probe the inside of your whatever you're cooking. You see that the smoke is coming out. That's when you can adjust your temperature. You could go to 180 if you're going to smoke something on a low heat for a long period, or like we're doing today, we're going to bump it up to 350 so we can grill. Let's get these little bellies on the grill. Yeah. Putting the fat side down. Once I lay these down, we're just going to drizzle while they sizzle a little bit of the marinade with my tongs on top. After about 30 minutes on 375, I think we're done. You can tell when you start seeing these little opaque juices coming out, it's time to eat. Pulled them off the grill, gonna give it a little garnish, and then we're gonna eat. So we're just gonna garnish with some of the leftover green onion, and I threw some cilantro in there just for fun. And of course, we're gonna do some sesame Sriracha seeds. Once you're done grilling, all you have to do, close the lid. Of course, you're gonna have to clean that later, but you just switch it to off, and the fan will cool it down for about 10 minutes. It's time to take a bite. We're camping, so I don't have any utensils. I'm doing it caveman style. And as always, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, thanks for tuning in. Here we go. Nice, crunchy, crispy crust. The middle just melts in your mouth. You guys got to try this recipe.